Hello everyone, I want to welcome you to IGT8. With over 10 years in the RC industry, we have built a reputation for high-performance models, where our focus on quality and engineering innovations makes us stand out. So let me introduce you to our latest model, the IGT8 Sim. We named it Sim for symmetry because is the principle at the core of the design. Every part of this car was engineered with the Sim philosophy, with balance and aesthetics in mind. The result? A car that looks as good as if performs on the track. Stay with me to discover how the IGT8 Sim sets a new standard for the GT class, as I unveil all the great features and smart solutions IGT8 has put together in this incredible machine. The chassis is a sleek 4mm flat design, super narrow and aggressive looking, with some cool engineering perks. IGT8 got the first ever GT chassis compatible with both nitro and electric models. Chassis includes a transmission plate for solid, efficient power transfer. Another smart solution is that you can set up IGT8 Sim chassis flat, or with kick-up configuration to comply with current nitro rules. In either nitro or electric, flat, or with 5-degree kick-up, the Sim chassis is a complete solution that combines advanced engineering and simplicity. But this is just the beginning of the many great features this car brings. The brake system is a game changer for the GT class. Designed as a standalone part, it's positioned low on the chassis for the best center of gravity. With a 2-piston brake setup, it gives you solid stopping power and consistent pad wear. Maintenance is also a breeze with easy top access to the brake system. Our new symmetrical bulkhead is secured to the chassis with M4 screws and an alignment pin for perfect parallel walls. The differential mount bracket features easy bolt and access, which in combination with a plastic insert lets you adjust the diff height easily. Just by rotating the same parts, you can raise or lower the diff up 12 mm in 3 mm steps. The bevel pinion holder also moves for a perfectly centered gear mesh when adjusting the diff height. The steel CVD system is designed for durability and performance, while keeping all shafts the same length. Another great benefit and innovation of the symmetrical design. Inspired by top touring car designs, our symmetrical suspension technology allow arm, block, and hub to fit any corner of the car. A small light wheel block for enhanced versatility with plastic caster inserts. Wheel hubs that offers max steering angle and roll center adjustment. Lightweight wheel hexes have a clever design that allows width adjustments up to 2 mm on each side by just moving spacers. Serrated wheel nuts for both sides come standard for extra security. The symmetrical suspension hanger fits anywhere in the car. With inserts to adjust arm height, they are bolted independently to the chassis for better flex control. The aluminum arm, like all suspension parts, fit any corner of the car and provide stability on any track. You can adjust the wheelbase independently up to 2 millimeters on each axle. Optional carbon fiber insert for high grip conditions. I hope you are enjoying this presentation. If after watching all this features full of innovations, cutting-edge technology mixed with simplicity, you are thinking, what else can be improved on a GT car? Sit tight as IGT8 is ready to raise the bar even more. Front and rear shock towers sit 8 millimeters lower and are attached to independent posts that enables our new Droop control system. This system can be activated with just 2 screws. It keeps wheels in contact with the ground, especially on bumpy tracks, and is great for added steering under braking. A proven concept in touring cars, but first on a GT car, traditional one-piece front and rear shock towers are also available. Toe adjustment is easy, just by turning screw regulator from the side. The front and rear sway bars ride on ball bearings. They include an adjustable link system for easy top access to adjust the sway bar balance. Included in the kit is the rear diff plastic cover to comply with international rules. It can be easily removed with 2 screws. Carbon fiber central stiffeners offer the perfect balance of strength and flexibility. Positioned lower in the bulkhead, its design provides easy access to parts like transmission and CVDs. The fully aluminum servo saver is stylish and adjustable, with a 4 millimeter carbon fiber plate, which rides on bearings for smoothness and optimal Ackerman adjustments. The top support base rotates to accommodate flat or 5-degree kick-up configuration. The one-piece engine mount keeps the engine low for better balance. Chassis ventilation and flex openings provide additional cooling, specially needed on extreme hot conditions. The 4 millimeter carbon fiber pipe mount adds style and functionality with less harmonic disruption. A traditional pipe holder position is also included for a longer wire. Centrifugal clutch has been a great improvement to the class. Our nickeled aluminum bell with composite shoes have proven to be a great combination for performance and long wear. Our new clutch and chassis design allows you to adjust the clutch on the gauge. Just by locking the clutch nut with a 1.5 tool and moving the flywheel with a 2mm tool, you can either loosen or tighten the clutch. Our new 149cc real tank capacity is closer to maximum legal, but ensures you will pass tech even on the hottest day. It provides constant flow to the last drop of fuel without tuning changes. Two-speed transmission has been optimized with harder plastic spurs, which in combination with transmission base makes it very reliable in any track condition, with today's powerful engines and shorter gears. Two-speed shaft is designed to work with either nitro or electric. The two-piece radio tray gives symmetrical flex. The aluminum tray posts interlock to the chassis. Battery holder makes it easy to remove the battery with just 2 screws. The new receiver box opens from the side for easy access and holds receiver, transponder, and switch, neatly fitting all components. Floater mount includes a side fan mount, which supports up to 2 40mm fans on a carbon fiber bracket. Floater pinion mesh can be easily adjusted by loosening 2 top screws. The ESC tray made from carbon fiber give you enough room to hold receiver, transponder, and even capacitors. It has airflow slots underneath to help keeping low electronics temperatures. Available as an optional aside ESC fan mount for extra cooling. Plastic battery tray has special brackets that secures them to the chassis, and combined with carbon fiber strips, locks them in place while making battery changes easy. This plastic tray raises the batteries just enough to allow cooling airflow from chassis openings while keeping a low CG. The symmetric body support brackets have openings to allow easy access to enable or disable DCS on the fly. You can choose between vertical or horizontal body style mount just by moving the carbon fiber body support. An optional carbon fiber anti-body tuck is also available. Optional carbon fiber wheel discs provide additional grip when required for front and rear. Optional center body post gives extra support on windshield area. Front body posts are positioned wider to avoid body rocking. Made from high-density foam, our front bumper has weight-balancing cutouts, a low-profile finish that meets international racing standards with shape and dimensions that fits most popular bodies without trimming to align front wheel wells. The turnbuckles are made out of hard-coated aluminum. They are super light, durable, and have an elegant black finish. A car with all these innovations and cutting-edge technology wouldn't be complete if our racers around the world couldn't use it to its full potential. We are proud to present you the IGT8 Wiki. This platform would provide both beginners and advanced racers a valuable resource to enhance their knowledge and improve their IGT8 car experience in numerous ways. For beginners, it offers a comprehensive foundation, introducing them to the fundamentals of RC cars, from accessible guides on maintenance and troubleshooting common issues. These resources can significantly shorten the learning curve, enabling new racers to get their cars up and running without frustration. For more experienced racers, the Wiki would serve as an evolving library of advanced tips and techniques. Experienced racers can find everything they need to push the limits of their IGT8 cars. The IGT8 Wiki will have two sections. The first section is the general area and is open for anybody to access. Here you will find setup sheets, logos, brand guidelines, etc. The other section is called IGT8 VIP. In this area, you will have the full Wiki experience with detailed explanation of concepts, tips, pro tips, real-time interaction with the IGT8 VIP community, and more. The VIP section is a subscription service. With the purchase of your new Sim, you will have access to the IGT8 Wiki VIP for a limited time. As on our previous versions, our virtual 3D manual and assembly exploded views are always available, and now will be part of our Wiki general content. I hope you found this presentation as enjoyable as I did, sharing the remarkable capabilities of this platform. Once again, IGT8 has raised the bar, likely setting the standard for the next generation of GT cars. It's this drive to stay ahead that pushes us to keep innovating, because at the end of the day, it's knowledge, experience, and true passion that make all the difference when competition heats up. Thank you for watching.